Hello dear students, in last lecture exercise 6.2 question number 12 is completed. Now next in question number 13. A student in 12th standard commerce stream has to appear for exam in 7 subjects. It is necessary to pass in all the subjects to pass an exam. Underline all the subject to pass an exam. 7 subject, all subject are certain minimum marks must be obtained to pass in. Okay, minimum marks find out obtained to pass in subject. In how many ways can a student appearing for the exam fail? Okay, the student can take the exam of fail. एक भी सब्जेक्ट में पास ना करे बराबर एक सब्जेक्ट में 3 4 5 नो मीनिंग 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 the 7 is 7 not in favor possible all subject not in favor or one subject not in favor 0 away 0 means all subject are clear passed. Okay, so total combination in all subject field is 7C. First order right here is 7C1. One subject of field is supposed to. Okay. Now next two subject of field or means addition 7C or three subject field 7C3 or four subject field 7C4 or five subject field 7C5 or 6 subject fail or in all subject fail 7C7. 7C0 means pass in all subject. Okay, now next 7C1 answer is 7. 7C2 7 into 6 divided by 2 into 1 21 is plus 7C3 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 35 7C4 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 35 plus 7C2 okay 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 21 with 7C6 means 7 itself and 7C7 answer is 1. Now addition 7 plus 21 plus 35 plus 35 plus 21 plus 7 plus 1. The final answer 127 is possible for student failing exams. Clear? Okay, completed question number 30. Next question number 14. In how many ways can hotel owner subscribe 3 newspaper and 2 magazines from 8 different newspaper and 5 different magazines available in the city? First question here completed. How many ways? Total newspaper eight different newspaper and magazine total 5. Magazine 5. We have 3 newspaper and 2 magazines are available in hotel. So that is first total combination. 8C3 into 5C2. Okay. 8 માંથી 3 newspaper selected and 5 magazine માંથી 2 selected. 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 5C2, 2 decreasing order step, 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. 8 into 7 into 6 by 3 into 2 into 1, 56 into 5 into 4 by 2, answer is 10. Final answer 568 for first. Continue question. If a particular newspaper is to be selected, particular newspaper means one newspaper compulsory selected and a particular magazine is not to be selected, then in how many ways can this selection be done? And particular magazine does not select. Okay. Next. Total 8 newspaper, 2 parts, 1, 7. Total selection of newspaper 3. Particular newspaper can be done. This is a compulsory selection. Total 3 newspaper selected. 1 is already selected. Remaining 2 selection. Okay. Remaining is 7 newspapers and any 2 selected. And magazine. Total 5. 2 is selected. 2 part, 1 and 4. Particular magazine is not selected. Means cancel. 1 magazine cancel, they will select the 2. The rest of 4 માંથી any 2 magazine will select. So 4C 2. Clear? Total 8 newspaper and 3 select करवाने. Particular newspaper is always done. Can be selected. Means 1 is compulsory selected, remaining 7 માંથી 2. Total 3 newspaper. 5 magazine है 2 select करवाने. Particular magazine does not selected. 1 does not select. So rest of 4 માંથી 2. Write down total combination 1C1 into 7C2 into 4C2. 1C1 answer is 1. 7C2 7 into 6 by 2 into 1 into 4C2 4 into 3 by 2 into 1. 1 as it is. 7 into 6 by 2, 21 into 4 into 3 by 2. Final answer 126 will be possible for particular newspaper can be done and particular magazine is not selected. We are completed for question number 40. Next, question number 50. If NP2 plus NC2 is equal to 84, then find the value of N. Okay. NP2 plus NC2 is equal to 84 is given. Main formula for permutation, NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r out of bracket factorial. And NCR combination main formula, n factorial divided by r factorial in bracket n minus r factorial. Okay, both are same. So now next step, NPR divided by r factorial. Okay, હવે આપણે રાઈટ કરી શકીશું. NPR n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. N factorial divided by n minus r factorial means NPR divided by r factorial means NCR. Here NP2. Okay. So NP2 as it is. NC2 means NPR divided by r means NP2 divided by 2 factorial is equal to 84. Now next 2 into 1 2 LCM 2 on the, so 2 into NP2 plus NP2 is equal to 84 into 2 2 LCM, so 2 into 1 3 into NP2 is equal to 168. 3 multiplied over the denominator, so NP2 is equal to 168 by 3. NP2 is equal to 5 to the 15, 6 to the 18, 56. Okay, NP2 means 2 step decreasing order, n minus 1. So 56 factors for a decreasing order, 2 consecutive values multiplied by 56. 8 into 7 8 minus 1, so n place पर सूझे 8, therefore value of n is 8. Okay, now next in question number 16, if NPR divided by NCR is equal to 24, then find the value of R. Okay, NPR divided by NCR is equal to 24, then find the value of R. So same formula follow, NPR divided by R factorial. Okay, NPR divided by R factorial is equal to 24. Okay, NCR means NPR divided by R factorial. Sign is changed, so NPR multiplication means numerator denominator, numerator. R factorial divided by NPR 24. NPR numerator denominator cut. R factorial is equal to 24 multiplication 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. It means R factorial is equal to 4 factorial. Both side factorial cut. Value of R is 4. Okay, you completed question number 16 and exercise 6.2 is also completed. Now next in exercise 6 section C, question number 2. 10 schools participate in a science fair. Okay. Any 10 school participate in science fair. In how many ways can the first, second and the third prize be distributed among the school? Okay. So 10 schools in the science fair participate the first, second and third rank given the permutation and combination. Permutation. Okay. 10 માંથી કોઈને first rank given. તો second rank માટે કેટલી સ્કૂલ રહેશે participate 9. Second માં 9 માંથી anyone second rank કાઢો. તો third rank માટે કેટલી ટીમ અવેલેબલ રહેશે સ્કૂલ 8. Okay. So total permutation sorry 10P1 any one school the first rank so second rank માટે total 9 school okay any one school so in second rank and third rank માટે 8 school 8P1 10 into 9 into 8 is equal to 720 base okay. Another method 10P3 यदि તમે ડાયરેક્ટ શો કરી શકો છો or NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Total 10 school 3 rank is given so 10P3 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 3 out of bracket factorial 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial answer is 720 both the method answer is the same clear question number 2 is completed next number 3 in how many ways can 4 boys and 3 girls be arranged in rows such that underline arranged in row such that 2 boys and no 2 girls are together. No 2 boys and no 2 girls are together. Okay, 4 boys and 3 girls. Total 7 members. No 2 boys and no 2 girls are together. And only 4 boys. All 4 boys in between 3 girls arrange कर दे. Alternative thinking. Question number 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Suppose 4 boys place B1, B2, B3 and B4. Between girls arrange 3 girls G1, G2 and G3. Again, no 2 boys and no 2 girls are together. Okay, boys માટે total 4 place available. And girls માટે total 3 place. Total permutation four boys and 4 place 4P4 and 3 girls and its multiplication 3 girls 3 place available 3P3 4 factorial into 3 factorial 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 into 2 into 1 24 into 6 144 okay so total permutation total weight no 2 boys and no 2 girls are 144 okay completed question number 3 next question number 4 there are 6 different books of statistics 5 different books of accounts and 4 different books of English on a table okay 3 subject different books is given in how many ways can these books be arranged in rows such that the books of same subject remain together all 3 subject okay means 3 and 3 subject are interchanged may be possible first statistics second account next English account statistic account English Alternatively, subject are changed. Okay. First of all, statistics. Total 6 books. Five different books of accounts. And 4 different books of English. Okay, so that the books of the same subject remain together. Subject wise book की सूची साथ ही देखें. Suppose total permutation six books of statistics. So all 6 books interchange possible. So 6p 6 first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6 2 3 4 5 6 1. Okay, alternatively change. So 6p 6 way into accounts 5 books may be same, interchange are possible. So 5p 5 same English 4 books 4p 4 and 3 subject. No, 3 subject में interchange है. Stats account English English account stat English accounts interchange may be possible. So 3 subject 3p 3 6p 6 6 factorial 5p 5 5 factorial 4p 4 4 factorial and 3p 3 3 factorial. 6 factorial answer 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 multiplication 6 to 1 7 20. 5 factorial multiplication 5 to 1 all digit multiplication 120. 4 factorial means 4 to 1 multiplication 24. 3 factorial means 3 to 1 multiplication is 6. So using LCM 720 into 120 into 24 into 6. 1 2 4 4 1 6 0 0. Total is possible for 6 distinct for accounts and for English different books in 12 lakh 1.24 lakh 41,600. Okay, here completed question number 4. The next question number 5. How many 5-digit number can be formed using all the digit 38076? Okay, 5-digit number find around. Total 5 digit is given 38076. So 5-digit number find the first place. 0 is not possible. 1 2 3 4 and 5 place. Now first place 0 is not possible. So 3 8 7 and 6. 4 digit and 1 place is possible. Total permutation 4 digit 1 place and remaining 4 place 4 digit and means multiplication into 4p 4 4p4 first value 4 itself and 4p4 4 factorial. So 4 into 4 factorial 4 to 1 multiplication is 24. Final answer is 96. 96 is possible for 5 digit numbers. Next Question number 6. In how many ways can all the letters of the word Tani be arranged so that words remain together? Okay, words remain together. बने साथ रखो. E, A, N, I. Five. A, E, I, O, U. Total 5 words here. Words is given A and I. Both are remain together. Suppose 1, 2, 3, and 4 units. T, N, A, I. Remain together, combine 1 unit. Okay? Arrangement. So 1, 2, 3 units. A and I both are interchangeable possible. Could be 2 with total permutation. Okay, 3 unit arrange 3p3 combined unit છે જ્યાં જશે ત્યાં સાથે જ રહેશે. O's both are interchange may be possible, but 2 O's 2p 2 first second place, second first place, interchange may be possible. So 3 factorial into 2 factorial. 3 factorial 3 to 1 all digit multiplication 6 and 2 factorial 2. So total 12 is possible for the Tani words. Words are together. Tani words for words સાથે આવે total base કેટલા બનશે 12. Now next question number 7. In how many ways can all the letters of the word mango be arranged so that words are not together? Okay, words not together. Mango words is given. A, E, I, O, U. A and O. 2 words are here. Both are not together. 1, 2, 3. Okay? N, G. 3 combined. Words are not together. The words not in place is first. Here 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 places are possible to write the words. Okay? And arrange kara words kara only for 2 and 3 consonant 3 places. Total permutation okay 3 consonant 3 place. So 3p3 into words not together. The words માટે total place के लिए 1 2 3 4 place arrange करिए 4 માંથી અહીં 2 places પર તો સાત so 4 place and 2 words are arranged. 3 factorial into 4 into 3 6 into 12 72 ways are possible for words are not together. You completed for question number 7. Now next in question number 8. How many numbers can be formed using all the digits of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 to 1 so that odd digit occupy odd place only? Okay, underline odd digit occupy odd places only. Digit is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. odd digit occupy odd places. Number is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Odd number 1, 3, 5 and 7. 1, 3, 5, 7 odd number. Now odd number they already odd digit is occupied given. Okay, so total permutation for ideal formula यहाँ follow करना है 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 digit is given and 4 place is 4 factorial. Divide by 1 repeated 1 and 1 2 times 2 factorial. 3 and 3 2 times repeated, so divide by 3 factorial. In even number 1 2 and 3 3 3 factorial. 2 repeated 2 times, divide by 2 factorial. Odd digit occupy in odd places. Odd digit 1 3 3 1, total 4 factorial. 1 is 2 times repeated, 3 is also 2 times, so divide by 2 factorial 2 factorial. Example number 15, permutation for initial formula in follow. Even number 2 4 2, total 3 factorial. 2 repeated 2 times, divide by 2 factorial. 4 factorial, answer is 24. Divide by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, 2 into 2 into 6 by 2. Okay, 24 by 4, 6 into 6 by 2, 3. So 18 ways possible for odd digit occupied in odd places. Next, question number 9. What will be the ratio of number of arrangement obtained using all the letters of the words rolls and rolls? Underline ratio of number of arrangement. Rolls into roll. Ratio find out. Both the letter total, both the words total 5 letter. So 5 factorial is to 5 factorial. Divide by L repeated 2 times 2 factorial. Here also now repeated L letter 2 times. Divide by 2 factorial. 5 factorial. Answer is 122 factorial 2. Same 120 by 2. 60 is to 60. So rolls and roll ratio is 1:1 equal. Next question number 10. There are 2 defective screws in a box having 6 screws. Okay, total 6 screws. Defective, non-defective. 2 screw defective means remaining 4 is a non-defective screw. In how many ways can 2 non-defective screws be selected from the box? Non-defective, both non-defective screws selected. Okay, selected. What's underlined? Combination. Total combination. Both are non-defective, so 4C 2. The 6 month total 2 screws selected, both are non-defective. But are non-defective 4 screws. And it will randomly selected the 2 screws out of 4 screws selected. 4 into 3 by 2 into 1. Total 6 ways are possible for the both screws are non-defective. Next, question number 11. In how many ways can 2 cards of queen or king can be selected from a well-sorted pack of 52 cards? Okay, 2 cards of queen or king. 4 king and 4 queen cards. 2 cards are randomly selected. Total combination 4c2 or okay, two card of queen or king, both card queen or both card king. So 4 into 3 by 2 into 1 or same 4 into 3 by 2 into 1. 6 plus 6 total 12 is possible for two cards queen or king. Next question number 12, last question for the section C. In how many ways can three cards of same color be selected from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards? Same colors, three cards are randomly selected. Color means only for two types of color, red and black. Total combination. So total 26 red card or 26 black card. So 26c3 plus 26c3. 26 into 25 into 24 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 plus same 26 plus 25 plus 24 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. Using calculus 26 into 25 into 24 divided by 6. 2600 plus 2600 total 5200 is possible for three cards of same color. Okay, so here completed question number 12. Next, in section D, question number 1. Using all the first 5 natural number, means 1 to 5. Write down first 5 natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First question, how many numbers can be formed? How many numbers can be formed? The total permutation five numbers arranged in 5 ways. 5p 5 factorial 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 120 ways possible for the first 5 natural numbers. Number 2, how many numbers greater than 30,000 can be formed? Greater than 30,000 means first place digit is 3 and more than 3 means greater than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways. Okay. So first place possible digit 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So greater than 30,000 number find. First place was 3 and more than 3 it was greater than 30,000 possible. Total permutation three digit, one place, remaining four digit, four place, when digit selected is remaining two. बाकी ना जो है 1 and 2, 4 place, 4p4, 3p1 means 3, 4p4, 4 factorial, 4 factor means 4 to 1 multiplication 24. Total 72 is possible for the digit is greater than 30,000. And last number 3 for the first question. How many number divisible by 5 can be formed? Okay, divisible by 5 means unit place. Digit is 5 and 0. 0 is not given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A unit place for 5 is divisible by 5 possible. Total permutation is equal to 1 digit 1 place, remaining 4 digits and in 4 places. So 1 factorial into 4 factorial. 4 factorial 24 ways. So 24 ways possible for number divisible by 5. Now next question number 2. In how many ways can 4 boys and 4 girls be arranged rows such that no 2 boys and no 2 girls are appear together? Okay, 4 girls and 4 boys. No 2 girls, no 2 boys. It means in first place boys, second girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. No 2 boys and no 2 girls appear together. Or another option is also possible. First place girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy. Means 2 options are possible. In first place boy, second place girl. Next, or first place girl, second place boy. Total permutation is 4 boys, 4 place, and 4 girls, 4 place. Or addition, another bracket, same 4 girls, 4 place, or 4 boys. So 4 place. 4p4. So 4 factorial into 4 factorial, or same 4 factorial into 4 factorial. 4 factorial 24 ways. So 24 into 24 plus same 24 into 24. So using LCM 24 into 24 576. 576 plus 576 1152. Okay, check it. Total is 1152. No 2 boys and no 2 girls appear together. Okay, here completed question number